fuzzy jellyfish?
I'm some kind of squid thing, and I'm swimming through the water here. Why don't you get out of my way?
I'm not gonna get out of your way.
You better get out of my way, or I'm gonna tentacleize you. Here I come with my tentacles to tentacleize. Here I come. You better run. You better run through the sea as fast as you can, or I'm gonna sting you. I'm gonna sting you. I'm gonna get my stinger out. Oh, sorry. You got a little bit more sting than I got sting. I'm gonna swim away. Swim away. Go ahead. On my side of the ocean. Thank you.
Hello, darlings. How do you do?
Whatever that was, that sounded sexy. I think I'm back from my side of the ocean. What the hell's going on over here? Who are you?
Where did you come from?
I come from the Indian Sea. I'm an Indian little fish.
The red-dot Indian or the feathered Indian?
Neither.
Oh,
I'm just a third-party fish.
third party? Like Ross Perot?
Something like that.
Oh. Well, what the hell's going on then?
It's going pretty well, but I just had to run away from a really, really big shark.
In the
Shark?
Indian Sea?
Yeah, and
I'm
it's just
swimming around.
coming here.
Suck the pot ass out of here.